Hi, this is Mrs. Ziegler, and I'm going to go over how you are going to navigate your ICP Schoology page. So first is when you go to your courses, you find your course, you click on the course that you want to look at. So for this course, it's Integrated Chemistry and Physics. So you will see your folders. So when you look at your folders, the very first folder will always be what today's class is, so first day of classes. And then you'll have your bell work folder, and then the next folder. So the top two will always be these two. They will not move. They're going to stay there. So the most current folder will be the third folder. So if we were in first semester, it would be physics. So the final review is the last folder of the, or the most current unit. So first thing is when you click on the arrow here, you can see what's in the folder. Each folder has the days. This particular folder has the link where it has information about the class. So you got your classroom procedures, and then this is a video that you would click on that you're watching right now. So when you click here, if it's a PDF, you'll click View in order to read the PDF. So this is the classroom procedures that is already in the classroom that is on your table. This is for students if they cannot remember a specific procedure. You can go through and read this on your own, but you will be tested on this information this coming Friday or the first Friday of this week of the semester. Then you can click on there to go back to the main page. Here for the bell work, we have bell work every day. The information about the folder is here. When, again, you click on the arrow here, it opens up and tells you everything that's within the folder. So if I click inside the folder, you'll see these are the PDF for the do's and don'ts of the bell work, which is every week. No matter if you are in class or if I'm absent, there will always be bell work, and it will be always the same amount of points each week. The very first folder is the folder in which you will look at when you are absent or if you were late to class and you did not get the bell work question and answer. Again, if you click on the arrow, it'll have everything that is for that week. You will click on the whatever week we're in. So again, the most recent will be the very first folder. When you click on that, you will see all the bell work for that week. So depending on how many class days there are for that week will be that many bell works. When you click on that, it'll be the actual slides that we review over in class. So the first slide will always be the questions. You can also look up here to see how many slides, because several students will write the questions and the answers and not actually scroll through to see that there's more than possibly 2 questions and answers. So therefore, make sure that you're looking here to know if you have gotten all of the bell work, because in order to earn all credit for the bell work, you do have to have all questions and answers. So as I said, the very first folder is where you want to look for the bell work answers along with the questions. The actual week, if you click on that, again, if I click here, it'll show what's in there. If you click on the actual to be what's in the folder, there's everything that's in the folder. There will always be the PDF where it has just the questions, but not the answers. Again, if you want to get the answers because you are absent, you have to go to the answer key folder. Here, the questions will be updated. Now, the questions are generally there for the entire week, but there are times in which I'll change the question. It will be updated here as well as in class, and then it will also be updated in the answer key folder. So that is the first thing that you probably want to go through. Then the days of whatever we're doing in class, you will always click on the folder unit that we're in. So for example, if we are in unit 6, so what I'm saying here, for example, is if we're in the end of the semester, the most recent will be the folder that's on top. It gives you the day that we're in and then the dates. So if you're confused and you don't know which day that you're supposed to go to, whatever day that you are absent, that is the day you'll click on. Here it tells you exactly information. It'll tell you assessment information. It'll tell you what is due for the day. It'll tell you what we're doing in class. Okay, so this one, because it's review, it's kind of not very helpful to look at. So we'll look at a unit folder. So if I look at this unit folder, again, this is a unit that we're in. That will be the most recent, will be closer to the top. Then you'll click on it. Again, the most recent day, the day that we're in, will be the one that's on top. So if we are December 8th, here you can see that we'll have a quiz on a certain day. It'll tell you what we're doing for the day, and then it'll tell you what is due for that day, and then anything that is coming up due. If you click on again here, it'll tell you what's actually in the folder. You click on the folder, and then if it is something that is related to times before, so for example, this is an assignment that is due today, but it was from a other day that it was assigned. If you click on that, it'll actually bring you to the assignment. And then you can go ahead and submit. If you click back on the folder, again, this is a current assignment that is assigned on a specific, on the day that we are actually in. So again, this is to help you navigate your Schoology page for ICP. If you have any questions, please make sure you reach out. But everything that you need for this class is always posted in Schoology, regardless if you are in class or absent. So if you would like to know what we're doing for class and you are absent that day, your folder will open up for your class at the time that your class is. If you have any questions, make sure you reach out.